member of the famous Mormon Tabernacle choir is so opposed to performing at President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration, she quit the group instead. Jan Chamberlain announced her resignation from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints affiliated choir in a Facebook note addressed to the choir's leader, her family, and friends. In the note, Chamberlain said she will be leaving the group with a, quote, sad and heavy heart. However, to her, singing at the inauguration goes against her morals because, quote, tyranny is now on our doorstep. The singer also called herself patriotic and stated, I only know I can never throw roses to Hitler, and I certainly could never sing for him. An LDS church spokesman told the Salt Lake Tribune that choir members are not mandated to participate in the inauguration, but it seems that Chamberlain still felt like she had to take a stand. Chamberlain ended the note by saying, my heart is shattered and broken, but my conscience is clear, and that really is all that matters.